channel. Today we're in Grassy Marina. Got Ryan with us. We're gonna do some saltwater fishing. We're on a Carolina rig, 50-pound test braid, a barrel swivel, or a barrel weight, 20-pound mono. I'll use my minnows. We got some fish bites. We're after some flounder or whatever those bites. Just right through the lip, right through the skull rather. Back to you when something happens. Give it a look around while we're waiting. As I said before, this is a grassy marina. Far from inland. Fish don't appear here. Bites yet. Put an accurate weight on, carrying it ripping through here. Put a 4-ounce weight on, it's barely over bottom. Beautiful day out. Better than what he said. So that's a little update. Been here about an hour. All I got was a bite and wasn't sure if it was a fish or a damn seagull floating in my line. But whatever, it's a nice day. Look at that current ripping through. Ripping through here, man. Little update. Couple of bites. Missed the bluefish coming in. That's about it. Pier's filling up. Pier's loaded with people. Just kicking back, chilling. Enjoying the weather, enjoying the fishing, and that's about it. First fish of the day for me, a little sea robin. Second fish of the day, a little sea bass. Fishing is picking up. Tide's twist up, more traffic. Got one more sea bass, that's about it. A beautiful day out. As you can see, the pier is loaded with people now. All right, we at a new spot now. This is East Point, I believe it's called. I don't know what town it is, but that's what it's called. East Point. Lighthouse is up the road. I don't know if you can see it from here, but it's somewhere. There's the lighthouse right there. Let's get a walk around and take a gander here. The other spot died off, so I tried something else before we went home. Using squid here. We still got some minnows left over, but they're pretty much dead. So we're gonna try the squid here. See what happens. Guy over here likes his flags, huh? Wish we could fish off that dock. Wish we could fish off that dock. That'd be cool. Sure, we'll drag us. We'll get back to you if we get anything here. All right, round's on. Round is on. An oyster cracker. Put them in the cooler. I hear they're good. Nice size one. Alright, I'm going to close this video out. We're getting attacked by greenheads. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.